Imagine if you could make videos that earn you $5, $7, or even $10 for every 1,000 views. Sounds amazing, right? Well, in today's video, I'm going to share 5 YouTube channel ideas that can easily make you that amount. But before we start, if you haven't liked this video yet or subscribed to the channel, stop right now, hit the like button, and subscribe so you don't miss any of my future content. Tease. Now, I've actually prepared a list of 20 high-earning channel ideas, but in this video, I'll share just 5 of them. If this video reaches 1,000 likes, I'll release another video where I reveal all 20 channel ideas. The best part? These niches have very low competition, so you can get monetized quickly with just a few uploads. One news documentary channel. The first channel is a news documentary channel. They post news videos, but their main target is the USA audience. This is one of the easiest types of channels to replicate. Just find an interesting news article, use ChatGPT to turn it into a script, and you're ready to go. The RPM, revenue per 1,000 views for this niche, is around $6 to $8. And here's a tip. If you want to go viral quickly, make videos about celebrities. That kind of content can skyrocket your channel's growth. 2. Rare Car Story Channel. Next, we have a Rare Car Story channel. They make videos about different cars using AI voiceovers. The content is super easy to create. Just download photos from Google, add background music, and your video is done. The RPM here is $5 to $9, meaning 100,000 views could bring it up to $900. Why so high? The car industry is massive, and advertisers pay premium rates for it. Plus, once your channel grows, big car companies might sponsor you. This is a niche you can start confidently without hesitation. 3. Car Materials and Accessories Channel. The third channel focuses on car materials and accessories, things like tires, seat covers, lighting upgrades, and other modifications. It's easy to research products, find free use images or footage, and combine them with AI-generated voiceovers. This niche also has strong sponsorship potential because many accessory companies want to promote their products.